Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving deep into the Apple Watch Ultra 3, the next-generation premium smartwatch expected to launch in 2025. With a wave of fresh leaks and exciting rumors, let's break down the new features, upgrades, and everything you need to know about this highly anticipated device. A brief look at Apple Watch Ultra's journey. The Apple Watch Ultra series was first introduced in 2022, marking Apple's entry into the extreme sports smartwatch segment. Unlike the standard Apple Watch models, the Ultra series was built for durability, boasting features tailored for athletes, adventurers, and outdoor enthusiasts. With a rugged titanium build, enhanced water resistance for deep-sea diving, and an extended battery life, the original Ultra made a significant impact on the smartwatch market. In 2023, Apple released the Apple Watch Ultra 2, featuring an upgraded chip and a slightly brighter display. However, beyond these minor enhancements, the Ultra 2 remained largely unchanged from its predecessor. In 2024, Apple skipped a major hardware update for the Ultra lineup, opting instead to introduce a new dark titanium color option and an updated watch band. With minimal updates in recent years, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to bring some significant advancements. Apple Watch Ultra 3 expected features and leaks. Several new leaks have emerged about the Apple Watch Ultra 3, hinting at major upgrades. Here's what we might see. Satellite connectivity for emergency SOS. One of the standout rumored features is the integration of satellite connectivity. This addition will be a game-changer for extreme sports enthusiasts and adventurers who often venture into remote locations with limited cellular coverage. Apple introduced satellite connectivity with the iPhone 14 series, allowing users to send emergency SOS messages when out of network range. Now, it seems this life-saving feature is making its way to the Apple Watch Ultra 3, potentially allowing users to send distress signals, share their location, or communicate in emergencies without a phone. A more power-efficient display for better battery life. Battery life is one of the most crucial factors for smartwatch users, and Apple appears to be making improvements in this area. Instead of simply increasing the battery capacity, leaks suggest Apple is implementing a more power-efficient display technology. This new display is expected to consume less power while maintaining the Ultra's hallmark brightness and clarity, potentially extending battery life by up to 10% compared to the Ultra 2. Thinner and lighter design. Apple is known for continuously refining its products' designs, and the Apple Watch Ultra 3 might follow suit. Leaks suggest a slightly thinner and more lightweight design while retaining its durability. This would align with Apple's recent trend of slimming down devices, as seen in the latest iPad Pro models. Reducing bulk while maintaining ruggedness could make the Ultra 3 more comfortable for everyday wear. Micro-LED display for enhanced brightness and contrast. Apple has been rumored to be working on micro-LED technology for its devices, and the Ultra 3 might be the first Apple Watch to feature this cutting-edge display. Micro-LED screens offer better brightness, improved contrast, and greater energy efficiency compared to OLED displays. If this upgrade happens, it would mark a significant visual improvement, making the watch more readable in extreme outdoor conditions. New health and fitness tracking features. Apple is always looking to improve its health and fitness tracking capabilities. The Ultra 3 might introduce new sensors for advanced metrics like hydration monitoring, more accurate blood oxygen tracking, and even non-invasive glucose monitoring. These features could make the Apple Watch Ultra 3 a must-have device for athletes and health-conscious individuals. Faster chip and improved performance. With each new Apple Watch release, Apple updates the chipset for better efficiency and performance. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to come equipped with a next-generation processor, potentially named the S10 chip. This could bring faster app launches, improved real-time data tracking, and more efficient energy management. Potential price and release date. Apple traditionally unveils its new Apple Watch models alongside its flagship iPhone lineup in September. If Apple sticks to this pattern, we can expect the Apple Watch Ultra 3 to be announced alongside the iPhone 17 series in September 2025. As for pricing, the Apple Watch Ultra 2 launched at $799, and the Ultra 3 is expected to be in a similar range. However, if Apple introduces major new features like micro-LED displays or advanced health sensors, we might see a slight price increase. Will it be worth the upgrade? If you already own an Apple Watch Ultra 2, you might be wondering whether the Ultra 3 will be worth the upgrade. Here's a quick comparison. If you need better battery life, the Ultra 3's power-efficient display could offer a small but noticeable improvement. If you want cutting-edge display tech, the potential introduction of micro-LED could provide an unmatched viewing experience. If you need satellite connectivity, this could be a life-saving feature for adventurers. If you want a thinner, lighter watch, the rumored redesign might make the Ultra 3 more comfortable for everyday wear. For first-time buyers or those upgrading from an older Apple Watch model, the Ultra 3 is shaping up to be a compelling choice. Final thoughts. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 is expected to bring some exciting improvements, making it a top contender in the smartwatch market for 2025. With potential upgrades in battery life, display technology, health tracking, and emergency connectivity, it could be the most advanced Apple Watch yet. That wraps up our deep dive into the latest leaks and rumors. What do you think about these possible features? Are you planning to upgrade to the Apple Watch Ultra 3? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest Apple news and tech trends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.